Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the wall shelves. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Zone storage for shoes and more. Organize shoes, accessories, and small items separately. This shoes rack width. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Practical material combination. The retro wooden top shelf is smooth for easy cleaning. Metal mesh shelves of the... This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Vintage style elevates your space. This freestanding shoe storage organizer features an industrial design with a... For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are wall storage, cleaner setup, and home decor. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that we got this to go by our front door and I love it. My simple verdict. The wall shelves looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.